up, everybody? It's Tony, aka Natural Boss. Another video. I'm going to be doing my hair. This time I'm going to be doing something different. The reason is because now that I've cut down like probably 90% of my products, I've thrown so much stuff away just because of me being sensitive to the fragrance, that like the products that I have is very limited. And so I don't really have like a styling cream that has hold that I really like anymore. Like I don't have anything. I have like some butters or whatever, or I have the melanin twist elongating cream, but to me that doesn't really have any hold, and also doesn't make my hair like shine the way I like my hair to shine. So I decided I wanted to do something different. So I'm going to twist my hair using gel, and the gel that I'm going to be using is this Curlsmith Shine Recipe fragrance-free shine gel, lasting definition, frizz control, 9 strong hold. So this is like just what I wanted, and the best part about it is also that it's fragrance free. I did a search for fragrance free gels, and this is the only one, besides like some stuff not even made for curly hair like Vanna cream or something like that for people that, you know, have sensitive skin. This is like the only fragrance free gel that this and Diva Curl, I think, are the only fragrance free gels that I found. So I bought this one. It's expensive. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but for this 8-ounce tube, it's like $23 or $26. That's like way too much, but I have to do what I got to do, so whatever, you know. I didn't want to just use gel with no other product because I think my hair would be too dry and crunchy with that. So I revisited my Coils by Nature moisturizing Shea Aloe, whatever it is, Shelo leave-in conditioner with argan oil. And this, you know, I just had this laying on my shelf and I stopped using it. I don't know why, because I put this in my hair already and I actually really like it. So I'm going to start using this one again. I'm actually kind of happy because Coils by Nature stuff is not that expensive. This is like $14.99 or something. I know some of you might think that's a lot, but that's really not a lot with the prices on hair products today. So I already applied the leave-in conditioner. So now, like I said, I'm going to do a twist out. Let me see what the directions say. Well, it says, for defined curls, apply to soaking wet hair after washing, blah, blah, blah. I'm not doing a wash and go with this, and I never would do a wash and go with this because I think I would use almost this whole tube, and that's just too much. A $26 wash and go. So my hair is already somewhat sectioned. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little piece like this. Make sure it's fully detangled. Make sure this is really fragrance free, like they said, because some products, and I still use them, but some products say they're fragrance free, and what they mean is no fragrance added. So they really have some type of fragrance in them. Especially be careful of products that say they're fragrance free, but they still have like essential oils in them, because more than likely there will be a fragrance if you're the type that's looking for something fragrance free. That's just a side note. Losing my tools. I don't think I've ever done a twist out with gel, so this is going to be interesting. Obviously with gel, I don't like the way my hair feels. So I can see if I was going to do a wash and go, I think it would turn out pretty good, but I'm not. Just taking a guess and making a prediction. When this dries, I think that I'm going to have a lot of shrinkage. I don't know. I don't really care about shrinkage that much. I just want the curls to be defined and I want it to be shiny. That's it. So that's what it looks like. It's just a regular twist out. There's nothing that I'm going to do different with my process. I'm going to twist my hair the same way that I always do. So this is not a tutorial. This is me trying out a different method and a new product on my hair. So I'm going to finish twisting it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished twisting my hair and it's really shiny, but I mean, whose hair ain't shiny when it's wet? So I hope it stays looking like this. That's my goal. But we'll see. One thing to keep in mind that I want to say, because I'll probably forget it when I film later after my hair is dry, that I don't believe this gel was made for the purpose of twisting your hair. Now, you can use gel for whatever you want to use it for, or any product for that matter, but Just keep in mind when you're twisting, like if you're using a styling product that was made for twist or like some kind of butter, it's easy to twist and your fingers kind of just glide. It took me a little bit longer to twist my hair with the gel because it's just not like as slippery. So just keep that in mind if you decide to use this. But anyway, I'm going to sit under the dryer and hopefully I get my hair all the way dry. But if not, I'll get it dry mostly and then let it sit overnight, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for a while and my hair didn't get completely dry, so I did diffuse the ends a little bit, and then I let it, you know, sleep. I let it set overnight or whatever, and that's normally what I have to do when I do a twist out. But I will say sometimes even after I do all that, I still feel that it's a little bit wet. But I will say that gel actually dries, if you didn't notice, gel actually dries like way faster. So right now my hair is completely dry, no questions asked, it's all the way dry. So I know this gel said that it was they call it, I know the gel, they call it shine gel, but I'm not just looking at this, it looks shiny, but I'm not like 100% satisfied. And plus I just know using gel, it could be kind of drying. So I'm gonna apply some of this Pure Oils natural oil blend. This is just by Silk Elements, like from Sally or whatever. So I'm just going to add a little bit as I take down the twist to make it softer and have more shine than what it already does, because I like my hair really shiny. And so I'll just start unraveling the twist. And as you can see, I mean, this was pretty much expected that it's really defined, which is the way I love for my twist outs to be. I do not like fluffy twist outs at all. I will say, being that this is, I guess it's level 9, it says 9 stronghold. I think it's the most strongest or whatever hold that they have, because they have some other gels too in the fragrance free for Curlsmith. I think this is like the strongest one. And I will say my hair doesn't really feel that crunchy, which is surprising. Because that's actually another reason why I added the oils, because I thought it was going to be really crunchy, but it's not. It just feels like I used like a styling product, which is really good. If you watch me and do what I do, do not just take your twist and start from there and unravel it and then just pull it loose like I just did. Start from the bottom and be more gentle with your hair. I don't even always follow all the stuff that I be telling, that I recommend for you all to do. And I should be doing it. I probably have even better results with my hair. I just did it again. It's just like out of habit. I just want to hurry up and take the twist out. Wow. This is so defined, and it is actually shiny, and it doesn't, like, seriously, it does not feel crunchy at all. That's the thing. I was like, you know, I'm probably not gonna like using gel, but it doesn't feel crunchy at all. And I was thinking I was gonna have to fluff it a little bit, because anybody that's been rocking with me know I do not fluff my twist at all. I don't like that. I was thinking I was gonna have to, so that it wouldn't feel so crispy, but this doesn't feel crispy at all. This is like just using just a regular styling product that's like was made for doing twist outs or braid outs or whatever. I will say, although this twist out is just like, you know, one of the most defined twist outs I ever had, I still, even without me fluffing it, I don't know if this would last a full week. And so what I'm saying is, if you use this gel or any kind of gel for a twist out for that matter, I recommend, if you have to retwist it, I would not reapply gel, because I think that would be a mess. Unless this gel is just like some really awesome gel, I think that your hair would flake, and also think it would end up too crunchy if you reapply gel again. So I don't recommend that. If you retwist your hair, either I recommend retwisting it with nothing, using like the LCO or the LOC method, or just using like a cream. Don't spray any water. You don't have to necessarily spray more water on it unless you feel that it's really dry, and just maybe using just like a little bit of cream and a little bit of oil and retwisting it. And also, when you retwist, another thing to remember, if you didn't know this already, I did quite a few. I mean, there were medium-sized twists. I did quite a few of them, but when I retwist my hair through the week, I don't do as many twists as I did the first time, because number one, I just don't feel like it. Number two, it doesn't take that much. It's already defined. So like this, like I did like what, 4 twists right here. I probably do either just 1 or maybe 2 for this section, just to let you know. Anyway, so my thoughts on this Curlsmith gel is that I really love it. I read somewhere, maybe on their website or something, they said you could use this for edge control as well. I kind of put a little bit on my edges. I would say I wouldn't, I mean, it was slick like a ponytail down. I mean, it made this lay down pretty good, but I wouldn't say this replaces an edge control. I really wish they would actually make some fragrance-free edge controls. I have one that I use. It has fragrance and it's okay. But I just wish it didn't have a fragrance. But anyway, that's all. That's my little rant about that. I actually love this gel. The only thing that's holding me back from like buying this repeatedly all the time is because it costs so much. And another thing also, for me, I prefer my gel to be in a jar and not a squeeze tube like this. It's not that big of a deal, but it's kind of like a hassle to me. I will say I'll buy this again, but like I said, I won't do it as often just because of the price. But I do love it. My hair feels good. It's not crunchy. It was shiny even before me putting that oil in it. Fragrance free, you know, for me and all those sensitive people out there. And it's just a good product. I've never used any other Curlsmith product, I don't think, except maybe some of that temporary color or something like that. But this is really good. Actually, based off of the how I feel about this gel, I am going to try some more of their other products in this line. So if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like this video, you can thumbs down if you want, but it doesn't show anymore, so nobody really cares. If you have a question or a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. And then also click on the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'm trying to be consistent and upload at least 1 video per week. But that's all I have on this one, and I'll see you in the next video.